We've done a list of cars for people with 1 million naira budget for 2024. So it's only right that we do the same for people with a budget of 2 million naira. If you're looking to buy a car with 2 million naira or around the 2 million naira mark, get in here. Here are 10 cars you can buy with 2 million naira in Nigeria today. Number 1 is 2005 Toyota Camry, also known as a Big Daddy. Now in 2024, getting a Toyota Big Daddy for 2 million naira is definitely a bargain. We all know this car, so I don't have to blow the trumpet. It's spacious, it's rugged, it's reliable, you name it. I aren't going to drive this car on the road and feel out of place, so you should consider it. Number 2, we have the 2007 Honda Civic. Now I can tell you for a fact that up until recently, this was the best Honda ever made. If fuel efficiency was a car, it would definitely be this one. It's a car with so many pros and almost no cons. One of the only issues that you'd face with this car is a slipping transmission, and that is because of bad maintenance. If you asked us to recommend 2 cars for 2 million naira, it would definitely be one of them. So in 2024, to go. Number 3 is the Volvo S80 2007. Very weird, right? Yeah, I bet you didn't see this coming. And the Volvo is a very classy looking car. Compared to a lot of cars that are made in this time, this design is pretty solid. Now, when it comes to safety, Volvo ranks really high, and so for 2.3 million naira, we think this is a fair price for this car. Has a 6-cylinder engine, so power and speed is assured. Number 4 is the 2005 Acura MDX. Now this is one of the only 3 SUVs on this list. Now Acura, as we know it, is the luxury brand for the Honda, so you can expect a bit of luxury from this car. Now one thing we think you should know though is that this vehicle chops petrol. 2.1 million naira, you can cop a Nigerian used version of this car. Now, like I said earlier, maintenance is a bit high because it's a luxury car, and luxury cars tend to have a higher maintenance cost as they get older. Next is the 2008 Kia Rio. This is a very trendy, comfortable, fuel-efficient car. Now, if you ask me, I'd say this is a gift from Kia. The car works and is very comfortable, and with 2 million naira, you can get yourself one in the very best shape right now. This car is over economical. Permit me to use that word. Now, the only downside to this car is its compact size, which limits the amount of people you can carry in it. At number 6, we have 2004 RAV4. Now, RAV in this name means recreational active vehicle, and that is exactly what this SUV is. It's a compact, rugged SUV that can go anywhere and everywhere. Fuel efficiency is good and maintenance is fair. And with 2.1 million, you can get yourself the Nigerian used version of this car. At number 7, we have the 2003 Toyota Matrix. What do you do? Where do you work? Are you an entrepreneur or 9 to 5? Then you can be sure that the Matrix works for you. Just like other Toyotas, it is reliable and fuel efficiency is good, along with the prices of parts being fair. And I think 2.1 million naira is a fair price for the Nigerian used version of this car. This car gives you extra interior space by flattening out the seats. You can even live inside if you want. Now, if you have a job that requires you to display goods, then you can be sure that the Matrix is perfect. For 2 million naira, you can get a real Mercedes-Benz. Now the question is, what type of Benz and what's here? Number 8, we have the 2005 Mercedes-Benz W203 C240. Now I've seen some very clean ones that are worth every hype Mercedes has in this country. However, make sure to do a thorough inspection of this car before buying it. A lot of expensive problems can be hidden in this car. Number 9, we have the Lexus RX300 2000. Now, Lexus is the second of the 3 SUVs we have on our list. Now, Lexus is luxury, so whether in 2000 or 2024, you can be sure that they will live up to their reputation. Only that in this case, with 2.1 million naira, you'll be buying yourself a throwback of a luxury. Now, the Lexus RX300 has ample space for luggage and people carriers. Finally, on our list, we have the Kia Sportage 2009. This car is so underrated. In conversations about cars in its category, it barely ever comes up, but the truth is that it does such good work. This is one vehicle people should begin to consider, and with 2.1 million naira, you can get yourself the Nigerian used version of this. Tell us, what car do you think you could buy with 2 million naira? Mention any other cars you think that we missed out on this list. And as usual, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, if you're looking to buy this car or any other car, please send a message to 234drive@gmail.com and we'll be happy to point you in the right direction. As always, my name is Olamide of 234 Drive, and I'll see you next time.